Hello traders and Market Club members everywhere. Adam Hewison here, coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. Today we're going to be looking at our internet portfolio. This is a portfolio we've been tracking for the last couple of years, and certainly in 2013 we had a very good return, about 65%, and in 2014 it was a little less than about 16%, but still a good return. So let's take a look how this internet portfolio is performing. First of all, I'm going to jump back to the portfolio itself. As you can see, we have 5 stocks in this portfolio: Yahoo, Facebook, Amazon, Yelp, and Netflix. What's interesting, if you look at just the triangles, now we don't pay any attention to this particular set of triangles. It's only the weekly and the monthly triangles that you want to use. So let's just cross this out right now. So what you notice immediately on this is the fact that Yahoo is in a downtrend. Facebook is in a trading range because of the 2 different triangles here, different colors. Amazon is in an uptrend. Yelp is in a downtrend. And Netflix is in an uptrend. You can tell that just by looking at the triangle. Very simple. So let's just clear the screen and take a look at these 5 stocks. We'll start with Yahoo. Just click on the little chart indicator right here, and you can see that we had a signal, a monthly signal right here. Now the market has come back, and that position, which we were short from 41.97, it's 44.46, but it hasn't changed direction. Even though we've had the rally, it still hasn't gotten out of this mode. And if it does change, then we'll change with it and we'll go into a neutral stance. So the next step in this stock would be a neutral stance. So simply put, how you want to find out about where to put your stops and entry points, just go back to the start page and click on Internet. Now here are the returns: 2013 65%, 2014 16.4%. Now if you scroll down to, you can leave comments of course down below if you have any questions about this, but as you get to Yahoo, there's the entry date, there's the position short 41.97, a weekly trade triangle exit at 45.18. So if we are wrong on the trade, we will get out. We would not go long, we would just simply exit, and that would put us neutral. Now a monthly reversal in the trade triangles for this particular stock would be 46.17. So they're the numbers you want to watch for the week. That's the week ending this Friday, and that would be on the 15th, I believe. Here you see all of the positions: short, long, and sidelines. So exactly how the trade triangles showed you on the chart page, and if you want to go right to a chart, you simply click here on any of these links and it takes you right to the chart. Now here you see we have a mixed bag here. We have a weekly red and a monthly green, which means that the longer term trend for Facebook is positive. However, the short term, intermediate term trend is negative, which gives you a 60 reading, which means when you have a conflict between the triangles, you should be on the sidelines. That's the important thing, just to be on the sidelines to protect your capital. Being on the sidelines is actually a position in and of itself, because you're in cash and you've reduced your exposure to the market by 20%. So let's go back to the portfolios and our internet portfolio. Let's close this up just a little bit here. And you can see that we have positions that we are short here and here. Yelp and Yahoo. Interesting, the Y words, Yelp and Yahoo. And we're short those markets, and we're long Amazon and Netflix, and neutral on Facebook. So you're actually hedging your position in a way, because you're long, let's say Amazon, but you're short Yahoo, and you're long Netflix, and you're short Yelp. It's interesting how that works out. So let's take a look at, we've looked at Yahoo, we've looked at Facebook, let's take a look at Amazon. Amazon's in a very strong trend. You can see we originally got long right here at 341. We exited this position at 372, so that was a nice profit. We got back in again. We didn't go short because the trend was up. Remember, when it conflicts, you just move to the sidelines and keep your powder dry until the next signal. So the next signal for this stock, Amazon, came right here at 381.77. The market's currently trading about $50 higher, and it's still in an uptrend. That's a good thing. Now Yelp, on the other hand, isn't quite so fortunate. We got short right here at 46.08 was the actual signal, but it actually turned out to be a little bit lower because of where the market just gapped open, and the market's rallied right back up again. However, it still hasn't changed the trade triangles, which are still negative on Yelp. It's going to take a while to this market to make a change, but again, you have the clear understanding when you go back to the portfolio page, you can see exactly what your positions should be, where you get in and where you get out. Now remember, we said short at 46, but actually it's 41.25. That's your actual. Now the reversal signal, or exit signal I should say, is 52.51. In a monthly reversal, trend reversal would be 57.70. That's not likely to happen anytime soon. So let's just go back to where we were. In fact, let's go to our next market, and that would be Netflix. And there it is. We'll go right from here. This is Netflix. Again, we have a nice position on here. The last signal we had, we actually, signal was right here. The signal for the monthly change of direction trend was right here at 457.38. That was an exit at 453. So we had a small loss on that position. That's okay. Then we get back in at a lower price at 441.69, and the market's trading at 585.65. So you can see you have almost $120 profit in this position. Again, it's just mathematically following the trade triangles, and all the trade triangles are green. So we have very nice profits in Netflix, and if we go back to our portfolio, we have very nice profits in Amazon and Netflix, and Yahoo and Yelp really are kind of doing nothing right now. We're short, sort of hedging our position somewhat, and then finally on Facebook, we're just on the sidelines. So that's how you use the Market Club's internet portfolio. Really easy. These prices are updated at the close of business every day. So again, that's the last update, was 5/12 at 4:20 after the close, and I think you'll enjoy following this portfolio, and you can trade it. Now we trade on the long and short side of the market. Just remember that. Hey, I'm Adam Hewison. Thanks for stopping by. Every success using Market Club's internet portfolio.